teapot is going to be a tipsy teapot. We're gonna get our
tipsy teapot.
So this is just a mint gray. We're gonna make cocktails. So this is a mint gray tea. This is a mint tea. Sorry, that we're going to turn
I was
into.
gonna say, is that like Earl Grey plus mint or what?
Ready for this?
All right.
Mint tea juleps.
Mint tea julep.
Again, very sweet. So we made.
That means bourbon.
It means day drinking bourbon. All right, so very simply, I made a mint tea.
You can see why we're friends, right?
Because we like to get our teapots tipsy.
Yeah. Yes, okay. So some mint.
Some mint,
yes.
some beautiful fresh mint. I made this
Oh, look,
tea.
there's something green in it. It's so good for you.
It makes it healthy. See? A little touch of bourbon. A little, just a bit, because we're ladies.
Just a little.
Because we're dainty ladies having tea.
My God. Okay, and some lemon.
And then this is just mint tea. Which
lemon, it's so good for you.
It's
Again,
all
this
very
is just
healthy and good.
Your doctor will love you for
Very
this.
much so. Here you
Ready?
go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Tea sets, okay? We have them. We got them as gifts. We were given them by our grandmothers, our mothers. We never really use them. We just use them for tea. I like to use them all the time. I like to use them for service.
Yeah, I put pot de creme in them. I love to serve a pot de creme out of little teacups.
What we're gonna do for our little modern tea party is we're gonna serve our salad in our teacups, which is going to be really nice. So this is a very simple salad, but also a hearty salad. We have a little bit of quinoa. So we're gonna start with the cooked quinoa. Put it in here, and then you massage your quinoa with a little.
You massage your quinoa.
Well, this is a fancy tea party.
It's also a daytime show, Mary. I don't know if you're allowed to massage quinoa this early in the day.
The little olive oil in there, get that going, and then we've added some little dried figs. We have some
blueberries,
blue
cheese.
We have, these are apricots too. And then we have a little bit of blue cheese and put that
So you've got
all
sweet,
together.
savory, salty.
Sweet, savory,
It's
salty,
all
all
good.
together. And of course, since we're doing a little tiny Italian spin, store-bought Italian dressing, homemade Italian dressing. Okay, you're gonna put that all together.
Store-bought or homemade
And then
Italian
you're gonna
dressing.
put this on top of your salad. Dress the salad the last minute before your guests get there.
So it doesn't get all wilty.
So it doesn't get all wilty and spooky. And then we're gonna dress this up, and then we're gonna take our beautiful teacups out, fill them up, make sure you put the yummy
Rachael
stuff on the
used her
side.
hands.
Elegant, as always. Ladies and
My mother
gentlemen,
always
my
said
pal.
the most useful
My
instruments
pal.
in the kitchen are attached to your arms. Thank you,
Who needs this?